Safe. Whew. Still putting some stuff. Excuse me, can't even talk. Hey, what the hell's wrong with this thing? It's stuck. Let's see. All right, I think that's there. Am I centered? Yep. Anyways, back to square one, guys, with this camera and all this whole YouTube journey deal of mine. I'll make this quick. I'm back to using my phone. I've been using my GoPro quite a bit. And I've been using the GoPro Hero 7. And yeah, it's right there. I've been using the GoPro Hero 7 quite a bit, and I've just noticed that my audio's all over the place. I don't have an external mic for it, so I just use the internal mic. And then I found a feature on my phone where I can enhance the audio and minimize the wind noise and what have you. But I was playing back my videos on the computer that I use in my room, and the audio just, I mean, I can barely hear it. And mind you, I'm listening to these videos early in the morning. So, you know, my girls are still asleep, so I'm not trying to listen to it loud. But earlier I was listening to it kind of loud. I'm like, I didn't like the audio. I just didn't like the audio. So then I started watching the videos on my phone, and although the audio's louder, it's just like in and out, in and out, in and out. And I remember reading that the mic or the GoPro has a couple microphones. So depending on which way I was facing or what have you, whatever microphone was picking up my voice, or they were both catching it at the same time. So my voice was sounding real echoey and sound like I was talking in a room. So in my last video that I did, and I did a bike ride, when I turned it up, I noticed there was a few parts in there where it sounded like I was doing a voiceover, but I was actually doing it in a tin can. So I'm like, yeah, I don't like it. And that was because I enhanced the audio with the setting feature on my phone. But because of the mic pickup it has on this GoPro, the settings, or how should I say it, the audio enhancer on my phone enhanced that what do you call it? I guess that defect. I don't know what you want to call it. So the last time I used my microphone, it died. I had to switch mics. It was just a pain in the butt. So I decided to just go back to using my phone, going back to using the mic, just staying ready, you know, keeping the microphone charged as soon as I'm done using it, and keeping my vlogs shorter, because sometimes I just ramble on like I'm kind of doing now. But that's basically it. We had a good weekend. I'll show you some footage of that, because again, I was using the GoPro quite a bit, and then I didn't like the audio. So what I'm thinking of doing is just using my phone as this type of videos where I'm talking to you or whatever, and just using my GoPro as B-roll. That's kind of what I was doing in the beginning. I was going to use my GoPro as B-roll, but it just got so much easier just to click the button and start recording. But without an external mic, it sounds crappy, and I don't like that. I don't like for it to sound crappy, because I don't like to hear crappy videos. And this is some snippets from my weekend. Just got here to my mother-in-law's and father-in-law's house, because every year my mother-in-law likes to get everybody together here at her house and do something for the kids, you know. So that's what we're doing here today. So I got my ice box right here. I'm ready, and we're out here in the middle of the desert. We're in Tonopah, Arizona. Let me get this ice chest down. All right, this party theme is carnival. So she's decorated everything carnival. So they actually got a magic show going on inside right now. There's a magician inside. So let's go check it out. Let me get this ice chest in there. You know, kids don't fit in there. Who made this? You did it? Another set of biceps, you would have had that. We got these people showing up. Petting zoo. They're gonna set up a petting zoo. Show you guys into the petting zoo, but I need a drink. I'm on empty. Let's go get us a drink. That's a lot.
Oh, it's good. Oh, it's real good. That's dangerous.
Oops. Let me see, we're over here live at PBR and shit. Get on it, get on it. Only in Arizona can you get a sunset like that. At least that I know of.